Hi and welcome back. What I have today is a lever lock which is just out of shot, which I'm going to try and pick. But first, I seen a video from Locknoob yesterday and he had a GJ Locks pick set with an array of things in, which was absolutely awesome. Now I know it can't be purchased by the public, you have to be in the business to purchase it. So I thought I'd give it a go of making just a little bit of said set, and this is the result so far. So I cut out this out of a disc detainer pick and a bit of brass rod drilled with a brass key, and that's for a non-curtained lock. And then we do have for a curtained lock, and we have got little cutouts on the bottom, which I'll show you why in a minute. This key I made a while ago for the ERA Fortress, and it's got the little cutout underneath. And the reason for the cutout is underneath we have this little grub screw. Just loosen it, take it out, put another one in. There you have it. Nice and solid, no play. Really well, really in tightly, so absolutely over the moon with the results so far. Not perfect, but still a great result. I will be using this non-curtain one for a curtain block though, because I do find it fits in pretty nicely and it works okay. So I'll just move these two out of the way. And the lock I'm going to try to pick is an Asec or Asec, I don't know how it's pronounced, but Asec 5 lever British standard lock. I don't have a key for it, but if we get it picked then I'll show you the inners, and I will be using the short wire. I'll try and keep my hand out of the way. And we'll go and try and there's some low leaves in this, so I have to bring the wire over a little bit. We've got a little turn on the core there, so hopefully just have a little look through and try and place onto some levers. Doesn't feel like it's going all the way back, so there we got under that one then. I did pick this lock earlier today, but now it's just trying to catch it on camera. The tool does feel comfortable in the hand to use, and I am pretty happy with the results of it so far. There we've fallen to I would call that a false set. So from now I will go down the lever stack. Drop some there. Hopefully we didn't drop them all. Again, drop some, and we found that little false set again. Sorry for being a bit quiet there, I was just concentrating. And there we have it. We'll turn it so you can see. And we might as well just take it all the way around. So there you have it, the new tension tool for these type of locks. Really nice in the hand. It's got a nice weight to it. And let's take a look inside. There we go. So it's just making sure none of the levers were going to pop out on us. So let's take them out. There's a spacer. And this is the first lever, which is a number 5. Another spacer. A number 4. As you can see, it's got a little cut in there to catch. Again, another spacer. Another 5. A 3. Last spacer. And another 5 again. So there we have it. The Asec deadbolt lock, picked, gutted, and with my new tension tool, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, bye for now.